everyone! Today we're going to give you some tips to get ready for spring. We've curated our spring maintenance checklist. Let's check it out. Complete an exterior inspection. Checking for any roof, siding, or foundation damage is the first step of your exterior inspection. Once that's completed, move towards cleaning your gutters and downspouts to prevent clogs and water damage. Lastly, inspect your windows and doors to ensure they are in good condition and free of any cracks or leaks. Tackle your landscaping and garden. Trim bushes, trees, and shrubs to encourage and promote healthy growth. Clean up debris and fallen leaves from the yard and begin to plan and plant your garden. If you have an irrigation system for your yard, be sure to open it when the threat of frost has passed. Check your heating and cooling system. Change of the season is the perfect time to change or clean the air filters in your HVAC system. If needed, schedule a professional HVAC maintenance check to ensure optimal performance during the warmer months to come. Perform a thorough inspection of your deck or patio. Look for any loose boards, structural issues. Spring is the perfect time to power wash and reseal the wood to protect it from the elements. While you're out there, clean and inspect your outdoor furniture. Be sure to look for any signs of wear and damage. Replace or repair any broken or worn out cushions. In spring's warm weather, you'll want to utilize your outdoor living spaces. Check your outdoor lighting. Walk around your home in the evening to ensure all lights are working. Replace any burnout bulbs in your outdoor lighting fixtures. Want to take an additional step? Consider adding solar-powered lights for an eco-friendly boost to your home. Complete spring indoor cleaning. Spring is the perfect time to deep clean your carpets and rugs throughout your home. Wipe down walls, baseboards, and other surfaces rarely touched to remove any of the winter dust. Organize closets and donate or discard items you no longer need. Check your plumbing. After winter's cold weather, inspect faucets and pipes for any possible leaks. Flush your water heater to remove sediment buildup. Have a basement? Be sure to test your sump pump to ensure it's in good working condition. Clean your windows. The days will be getting longer, which means more sunlight. Clean both the interior and exterior of your home's windows to let in more natural light. Safety checks. Perform all your safety checks. Test your smoke and carbon monoxide detectors, and if needed, replace the batteries. Check your fire extinguishers for expiration dates and replace them if necessary. Reverse your ceiling fan. Remember to reverse the direction of your ceiling fan for optimal comfort. In the spring and summer, you'll want to switch your ceiling fan to a counterclockwise direction, creating a downdraft, making your home feel more comfortable without relying on air conditioning. Spring is the perfect time to revitalize your home and create a welcoming atmosphere. With our spring maintenance checklist, you'll not only ensure that your home is in top-notch condition, but also be ready to enjoy the season ahead. At HHHunt, it's how you live that matters. So put on your gloves, grab your tools, and let the spring cleaning begin.